So we have surveys, if I'm not mistaken, once or twice a year. So we do employee surveys, and we take note of the things that would help us improve as a company. Of course, not everything, hindi lahat yun susundan mo. We try as much as possible, as long as it's aligned with our values and culture. We try to adjust and tweak some things. But I think one important thing is, again, as I mentioned, probably 90% of the workforce would not thrive in a very unique environment. So we try to choose also the people, the Dexters that would be, achieving the goals and dreams of the company with us. Kumbaga, we try to weed out also those that are really not aligned with our values and culture, because that's the only way na we'd be able to help them, be happy and work in a company with such values and culture. If hindi talaga aligned, it's not gonna work. So we really try also, we talk to the heads na you better make sure all the people under you are aligned with our values and culture, because that's very important, or else they're not gonna be happy and we won't be able to achieve such recognition as well.
Good afternoon, Loriza. So, the average age of the company is 27 years old. They're so full of energy. Malakas pa uminom yung gano'n.
Hindi naman po obvious.
Ang hirap
Hindi
sa
po
bayan.
obvious.
Ang hirap sa bayan. But, sinasabayan namin. And it's interesting, with that average age, one of the things that came out from the survey that we got a low score during the first time was in the area of benefits. When we started asking more questions, wala daw bang retirement? So these are the one of 2 or 3 na mapapunta na sa retirement age, iniisip na nila yun. So we just listened, and then we acted on it. So ngayon, ito na yung retirement program natin sa company. So I think that level of transparency where you have anonymous surveys, and then during our monthly town hall, it's an open Q&A, allows us to listen. Hindi naman lahat yun a-actionan. Pero when it's valid and it would benefit a lot and it's impactful, doon natin lagay yung budgeted resource natin. Unahin natin yun. And then the others will get there.
Thank you po.